Hola, it's your VA Ate in Spain, and as you guys know, I also brought my dog with me. He is a Dachshund or Dachshund. I don't know, but call him a Dachshund. But yeah, he's just a little below 8 kilos when I brought him. So definitely you have to check if allowed ba yung certain type of breeds in the airline. So usually airline ka magkakaroon ng problem. Like they don't allow some breeds um, in the cabin. But definitely in the cargo, pwede mong dalhin kahit anong breed man yan. And then of course you have to check if they are pasok sa weight requirement ng airline. Kasi minsan, they go for 8 kilos kasama na yung bag or 8 kilos yung pet lang, ganyan. So, definitely check out their website. They usually, especially for pet-friendly airlines, they are usually open naman then with questions on their hotline. And of course, they like put all the information there on their website. But definitely there are people like clients and friends na nagbring na yung Aspen nila or their medium dog to Spain, but some of them have to go cargo kasi they are very malusog na dogs, so definitely they had to bring them in cargo. Pero ayun, that problem only kung sino yung airline mo yung makakasagot talaga with that.